Happy October! I'm so excited that October's here. As you guys know, my new book, Cookie Class, is out this month on October 29th. And to celebrate the month, every day I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, starting with cookie drop-offs all around Seattle and surrounding cities. The cookies that I've decorated for each person come from the cookbook. So let's get started. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so fun. Yay! Okay. All right, let's take these cookies to the streets. Do you want to get in, Drew? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Our first stop is going to be at Lake Country Preschool. So fun. Miss Jen! Hi! I'm showing up to bring you cookies today because I adore you and love you. So sweet. And you're so special to so many people. You'll always be like so, I just have to hug you again.
Thank you.
You're one of my favorite people. Like, you've meant so much to my kids and my family. All right, we're off to spread more cookie joy right now. We are going in to surprise Bob of Bob's Corn because I think he needs a corn sugar cookie, don't you? Huh? I love that you sold corn as a little boy on the side of the road. Okay. And so I'm just surprising random people in the community.
You guys know about this?
They do know. But I just want to say thank you.
You made these.
Yeah.
This is your thing.
Yes, that's my thing. Like corn and vegetables are your thing, but cookies are my thing. So that's why you have to see what's inside.
Okay, let's check this out.
I do now. Oh, good.
Oh, look how cool these are.
Aren't those cute? Oh, that's so fun. I knew he'd love that one, the corn.
Yes!
You guys are awesome. Thank you for helping me wrangle him today.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's awesome. This is great.
They're even like freshly, they're soft. You better let it bake in the chair. Yeah. Isn't that good? That was amazing. Bob is so awesome. I'm gonna eat more corn. Could I please get a triple espresso over ice? Thank you. Hello. Good, how are you? Good. I have a treat for you guys today.
What are you doing?
Cookies for our baristas.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, your cookies are the best.
Thank you.
Hey, you guys. You brought cookies?
Woo! Cute. These are the new home cookies. Look at that, welcome mats and doors. We are welcoming somebody that's new to Lake Stevens. So sharing cookies with a neighbor, great idea, right? Sharing with us. Oh my goodness, hi! Do you know Dan Keller? Yes. I heard that you were new to the community, and so I wanted to drop off some cookies to you. Oh my God. I know, you're gonna have to take a look. Look at this guy. Dan told me you guys were new to Lake Stevens, so I wanted to bring you some cookies. You're welcome. Aren't they cute? Little doors and doormat. Melissa actually shared with us after we were walking out that she was just diagnosed with lupus and was kind of getting a little bit teary-eyed. So just dropping off the box of cookies, I think meant a ton to her today. Okay. Hi. Hey, I have a surprise for you. I have some cookies for you guys from Jenny Cookie's Bake Shop. You guys look like you're doing a good job and you need a cookie today. You're awesome. Enjoy your cookies. Thank you. Bye. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
I'm sneaking in line because I just want to recognize you guys for all of the amazing work that you do here at the post office and get all of our packages where they need to go and bring you a box of Jenny cookies.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys are amazing. Look at this mail. Thank you.
Love your cookies. They're the best.
Thank you. Sorry I cut in your way.
That's right. Say hi.
I'm gonna put the sugar high.
That's right.
Thank you.
Much.
You're welcome.
Wow, that's amazing. Wow.
How happy they were. Hey guys. I'm Jenny from Jenny Cookie's Bake Shop, and I'm super grateful for everything that you guys do here in the community. I know you guys keep our bake shop safe, you keep the community safe, and I just want to thank you with a box of buttercream.
Oh, thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. Thank you. We're super grateful. We're doing 29 days of giving here in the Seattle and surrounding areas. So we're making a video for social media, and we're gonna share it, and then people will nominate where we're gonna go next. So it's really exciting to get everybody involved and just to think about ways you can bless other people with something as small as a cookie.
That's very nice.
Can we go on a ride?
Yeah, sure.
What a day, you guys. That was so much fun. I can't wait to do it again. We missed my favorite police family, but we dropped off the cookies to the police station. So I want to let you know that the reason why I filmed this was so that you guys could follow along and see all of the fun we had today and just what that meant to the people that we dropped off to. And that way, next time we drop off cookies, you're telling me where I'm going. So in the comments below, I'm gonna share details of where you need to go. Tell us the stories, the people, where we're going next. I can't wait.